So we would like to know about Elcom and your thoughts about Elcom. So we have some quick questions to go ahead with, and if you can just throw your, insights on that, it will be very helpful for us. The first question goes about, we'd like to know about Elcom, its products, and if there are any new product launches that Elcom is coming up with. We'd like to know about that.
Thank you for the question. So Elcom is definitely launching a lot of new products, and this has been our forte because we have our own completely integrated factory where we develop, design new products for the industry, and we also have a very good interaction with the customers. So in the last couple of years, we have developed a lot of different types of PDUs, smart PDUs, different types of sockets, outlets. Then we have also developed a lot of new products like the electric vehicle connectors, that is the DC type CCS2, then type 2. Then we also have now launched the type 6 connectors and various other connectors for the electric vehicle segment. See, we also launched the industrial plugs and sockets. So we are the only Indian manufacturer who has completely designed and developed the complete product in India. And we have, in a very quick time, we have got a good market share. So this product line has also got a tremendous market. And we are sure that in the coming years, we will be able to garner much more, even in India and internationally.
Last but not the least, of course, talking about Elcom, we would like to know, how you can differentiate Elcom over your competitions, or what are the advantages that your customers would get along with Elcom.
Elcom basically is a company which is completely integrated manufacturing and setup. That is, we design the products, we design the tools and molds, we design and make everything. We have a completely integrated manufacturing facility which includes making the molds, making the tools, doing the injection molding, whether it is stamping, electroplating, and so we can be very agile when there is a customer requirement. And of course, because of our agility as well as our capabilities, not only in designing and developing the products, but also bringing the product to market and giving support to the customer, we have got a unique place in the customer's mind, and which our competitors may not be able to do that because they would be definitely dependent on other suppliers or other vendors to give them the support, while we have everything in our house. So this is what is the unique feature about Elcom.